the window. There we go. Never see that bird again. Finally, I can enjoy my sandwich in peace. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Where's that cucumber? Oh. Damn it, you! Why can't you just leave? Leave me alone and close the window so you wouldn't get in. How are you here? Boy, it's not yours. It's my sandwich. Boy, damn it. I'm going. I hate these freaking birds. Oh, man. Charlie and Friends is coming on. I need to find the remote. Where is it? It's usually right here.